This 2019 Chevrolet Equinox is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge, Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas, i4 1.5 CD2 engine, and has 98,452 miles. Discover adventure in this 2019 Chevrolet Equinox, your perfect blend of style and reliability. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.